Over to boys, just doing a quick video or screencast to sort of go over the key points from yesterday's lesson on soils. Right now I'm on page 65, okay, so 65 here, and this is a really key page in terms of just a really good summary of the 3 types of soils that you need to know for this topic. Two of the soils, as it says up here, are found in the Amazon Basin. That's the alluvial soils of the Amazon Basin and the laterite soils of the Amazon Basin. The alluvial soils are found at the foothills of the Andes and then also along the banks, along the sides of the Amazon River. And the laterite soils are found in the terra firma where the Amazon rainforest is prevalent. The last type of soil, which is not found in the basin area, which is the lowlands areas, is found in the highlands areas, and that is the podsol soils. Now guys, you absolutely need to know those 3 types of soils, and this document here is really good because it actually talks about the different types of interactions that happen for every type of soil. Okay, you can see here there's an interaction here, okay, between relief and soils. The alluvial soils are being eroded and brought down from the Andes into the lowlands areas. And then the leaching with the climate, okay, the rainfall taking away the nutrients of the alluvial soils. Same here, again with the leaching as well, the interaction of climate and soils. So 65 is a really good page for you to make sure that you know and that you've gone through. Now, if I go through the work from yesterday, there's a good little cross-section of the lateral soils. Like I said, really fertile in the upper layers, okay, very infertile in the lower layers because of leaching, which is like water taking away the nutrients from here, taking it away and leaching it outwards. Podsol soils, same thing, another little cross section there. Again, reasonably fertile up top here, and losing fertility as the leaching carries on. Another good page here is this one here. It is a bit wordy, and maybe that discourages a few of us. But it has a couple of key points in terms of the depth of the fertility of the lateral soils and sort of showing where all the different soils are. This is quite a confusing diagram, but if I'll just point out to you the key parts. The alluvial soils found in the banks of the Amazon River, the black dots here. Okay, the red lattisols and the yellow lattisols, okay, found here on the outsides of the bank, okay, and then around here as well. And then you have the podsol soils up in the highlands areas, So that's all I really want you to get from that. And then you have some activities to do as well, fellas. So summary here, and I've put in summary, a little summary document here for you that you can copy out. Alluvial soils found close to the Amazon River channel, very fertile all year round with good fertility depth. The main reason they are so fertile is because the soil is from eroded material from the Andes, transported by the river and deposited on its banks, close to the river. Laterite or lattisol soils, very fertile close to the ground surface, but not fertile at all. Not fertile at all at depths, so at deeper than, say, a couple of meters. This is because the process of leaching, where the abundance of rainfall and water washes away the good nutrients in the soil. These are found in the basin area and cause trees to have buttress roots. Now, buttress roots are roots that spread sideways, not downwards, to find nutrients in the soil. So actually spread out sideways. We'll talk more about that in vegetation. Podsol soils, these are found in the highlands areas. The soil is fertile, but its main feature is its resilience to colder climates. That is why it's found in both the highland areas, the Guyana and the Brazilian highlands. Fellas, that's a really short summary on the soils. Okay, you do need to know about the interactions and make sure you're delving into that as well, but I just thought I'd show you this little summary. Make sure you do have this information down. Thank you.